Okay guys, so I'm back with another operating system now. So this is Manjaro ARM 20.08 and it's KDE Plasma. So all I did was download it from their website, flashed it with Etcher, but you guys can use Raspberry Pi Imager or Win32 Disk Imager, whatever one you guys like more. And then I plugged the SD card into my Pi and I booted it up and I got to the setup script. This is KDE, so it might be a little heavy. There is an XFCE version, which I will be reviewing in another video, so don't miss that one. So it says choose your keyboard layout, so I go down till I find I want US, and it's towards the bottom. And here it is, US, and I hit enter. And then it says enter desired username, so just type in any username you want. That's my username. And then I just type the same stuff here too, but it doesn't really matter. For full name, I put the same thing as my username, but you can put your full name if you like. And password, just make a password that you're gonna remember, and then type it again. And now you have to make a root password. I just make this the same as my other one, but you guys do whatever you like. Oops, typed it wrong. And now you just choose your time zone. So I'm just gonna choose one. I'm not gonna look for it. And then choose your locale. I'm gonna go with the US one. In US UTF-8 is the one I'm gonna choose. And host name, I'm just gonna go Luca Frenner. And is that information correct? And it is for me, so I click yes, and now it's setting all of them, and then it's gonna reboot into the desktop for us. Okay, so I'm back. I'm in the desktop now. So it looks pretty clean. One thing I don't understand how it happened is my system is Spanish. I mean, I think it's Spanish. I don't really know what language it is. But that is fixable. I haven't done it yet, but so this is just the new newly booted up Manjaro ARM. So I'm gonna show you how what you should do and stuff. So, I'm just gonna show what there is. It comes with Firefox. Like most Linux distros, Firefox is the pre-installed browser. And it boots up, it opens up fairly fast. So let's just go over to Amazon.com. It loaded up nicely. The scrolling is very smooth on here actually. I can click on stuff and it all loads. And one cool thing about KDE is when you turn around your page like this, it kind of blurs out. So that's something that's interesting. Yeah, so web browsing is nice. Now let's test out YouTube. Close that browser up. So we can just search for the classic video. Big Buck Bunny. And we just click on it. Yeah. And it really goes into full screen very nicely. And I can skip into it. And you guys can just watch a bit of it to see how it performs. I'm not seeing any like tearing or anything in YouTube, so that's really good. Yeah, it looks like the YouTube performance is great on here actually. It's like literally the making these videos big and stuff. It's really nicely on some operating systems on the Pi. It really freezes up when you try to make it full screen, but this one's really nicely according to those. Yeah, so and then I just go Wikipedia, and it all opens up very quickly. Yeah, so I'm sorry that it's Spanish. I don't like that either, or I don't know if it's Spanish, sorry. Some language. So I'm gonna change the background. This one looks interesting. Yeah. And then we have our file manager, which is Dolphin, which looks really nice. And then we have our terminal, which is called console. And yeah, so just so you know, Manjaro doesn't use the apt package manager, it uses Pacman. So a lot of the commands that you would see me doing in Raspberry Pi OS or Ubuntu, they won't work on this one because it's a different like package manager. So let's go to applications, and let's just go through the apps to see what there is. We have these apps, I don't know what they are. And then education, we have some education apps. We have LibreOffice Draw already installed, and in internet we have Firefox. The other ones I don't know. We have some video players in here to watch your videos. We have the Office apps, LibreOffice, so you can do all your typing and stuff. And preferences. So we have. Let's look at this one and see. So I'm gonna get a new global theme. So what this does is you can make your system look different. So look, there's a Windows 10 one. There's a Big Sur Dark, Orange Blossom. What one should I pick? Here, I'm gonna try this Big Sur one. So all I do is install. And I think it's gonna start installing it now. And now you have to type in your password that you made earlier. Oh, I didn't type in. And it should be installing now. Yeah, so I'm actually impressed with this. Yeah, it's a nice operating system for the Pi. I could recommend it, yes. And if these theme changes work, that will be really cool. So now I'm just gonna click on this, and I'm gonna click apply. Okay, so now it looks like this. So like it made the finder and stuff. And yeah, so it does look like macOS. The one thing that doesn't look entirely right is the buttons are on the opposite side. That's one thing. And then the dock isn't the same. So I don't know how to do that right now, but I could always find it out. But let's go for a macOS Big Sur wallpaper. This one's nice. And I'm just gonna right click, save image as, and I'm gonna save it in pictures. So I just go save, and it's done. So now we just go to the X out button, configure, change the background picture, and oh, it already automatically saw my picture that I downloaded. So I do that and I click apply. Yeah, so it looks nice. Oh, the thing changed too. Wow. Yeah, it looks very nice, like, and elegant. Like, I like this look better than the normal KDE. So if you're good, yeah. Again, sorry for that. This wasn't in English, but it wasn't a huge problem. But yeah, I'll need to fix that. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this operating system. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything, tell me in the comments below or on my Discord server. And please like this video and please subscribe.